My name is Ryan Davis. I work at Kumler Collision down in Lancaster, Ohio. I started in January, so I've been in the industry for about 3 months now. I'd say the biggest takeaways, we're definitely doing some of the PDR work as far as writing the estimates on the PDR, as well as some of the blueprinting processes. I think the matrix link basically just helps you think about the whole process, and it also kind of makes you reflect on some of the different aspects of the training that we do every day. Yeah, hotel was great. Staff was friendly. Breakfast every morning and coffee, and yeah, super friendly staff. Bob was great. Got a lot of experience in the industry, and he knows his stuff. Yeah, I'd like to thank my shop for allowing me the 4 days to come up here, get some training in, and hopefully I can bring some valuable stuff back to our shop.